Nag-book online kanina yung mga staff namin at nakapag-book po sila. Ginawa ng mga taga-DNR na sinubukan nila na mag-book.
Yung tatlo pong sinabi nyo, wala sa listahan nila. So they have, they're legal.
Kaya nga po, can you provide us a report?
Yan na lang. Bigay mo na lang kasi.
Kasi po kami, we did a mapping eh.
Idol ko, niloloko mga Pilipino. Sinungaling daw ang loko.
President, thank you, Madam Sponsor. Last topic, Mount Apo. Ano na pong nangyari during the last hearing na pag-usapan po natin na marami po mga illegal structures dyan sa Mount Apo because of the violation of INIPAS Act. Hanggang ngayon po, nandiyan pa rin po yung mga strukturang yon. Although I've heard mayroong mga struktura na mga pinagbabaklas na, but those structures ay mga sari-sari stores, mga karinderya, pero po yung mga resorts hindi pa rin po tinatanggal at andun pa rin po.
They issued cease and desist orders. All are confirmed closed, endorsed to NBI for case build-up, and next step is case build-up, filing of cases, imposition of penalties. Each issued also a show cause order, revamped and augmented the manpower, and they are coordinating with the LGU. This is about the Mount Apo Natural Park.
When was the cease and desist order issued? Particularly to 9 establishments? And what happened after the cease and desist order were issued?
April
That time?
3, 2024.
I'm sorry po, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor.
April 3, after April 3, 2024, and they have issued 76.
Show cause orders.
They have issued 76 show cause order
76.
and 28 cease and desist orders.
I'm sorry, can I have those numbers again?
We will give you the list. It was issued after April 3, 2024, and they have issued a show cause order to 76 establishment, and they have issued cease and desist orders to 28 establishment, and they will give you the list.
2023. 24 March 20.
Okay, so April 3, 2024, cease and desist order were issued to many establishments,
78.
and some of them were issued show cause order, right?
Was ordered to 76, cease and desist to 28 establishment.
And kailan po yung deadline na kapag hindi sila nag-comply, sila po ay makakasuhan na?
Pag ano pag na-issuehan na ng cease and desist orders, sarado na and endorsed to NBI na for case build-up.
Yung pong na-issue ng cease and desist order, meron po ba tayong ginagawang monitoring to ensure na nag-comply sila doon sa CDO na in-issue doon sa mga establishment?
Sinasara, di ba? Sinasara po yung establishment. At
Kaya nga po,
binabantayan.
do we have records that will show, proof that will show na talagang yung issue ng CDO ay talagang na-comply, hindi yung pag-issue ng DNR at nagpa-scale ng CDO doon sa pinto, pagtalikod ay hindi nagbubukas ulit. Meron ba tayong follow-up monitoring?
They have regular monitoring and they will submit you the report.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now, nag-try po yung staff ko kanina, nag-book online, doon po sa mga na-issue ng CDO. So, ibig sabihin, hindi sila compliant. Saan yung mga yan? Ito to? Ha? Saan?
Can you give them a list of, and then they will check it with their list. Ito yung mga na-issuehan ng cease and desist order. Oo, they have 18
Okay.
in Region 11 and 19 to 28.
Among those issued the CDO are the following: Villa Recurso, Montefrio Garden Resort, and Twin Mountain View Resort.
Yes,
Nag-book online kanina yung mga staff namin at nakapag-book po sila.
Mountain View Resort.
Twin Mountain View Resort.
Mountain View Resort, nakalista rito. You,
They're accepting booking.
What is the other one?
Montefrio Garden Resort and Villa Recurso. Sabi niyo po kasi kanina, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor, kayo po ay gumagawa ng strict monitoring to make sure that these people, these establishments are complying doon sa CDO that were issued.
Hindi
Na
daw.
kung gumagawa po kayo ng strict monitoring, bakit kami, nag-book kami at nakapag-book sana, ganun din ang ginawa ng mga taga-DNR na sinubukan nila na mag-book.
Yung tatlo pong sinabi nyo, wala sa listahan nila. So they have, they're legal.
They're legal? Illegal. They're illegal or they're legal?
They're legal because they have
Secure public.
PAMBI clearance and ECC.
Yes, and operator.
And ECC, so they're legal.
They're located outside the buffer zones na bawal po. You might want to check it again.
Nandun daw sila sa multiple use zone.
This was already discussed during the last hearing and
Yung tatlo na yon, but they have a list here of 28 na merong cease and desist order. Would you like to?
maybe you might want to check again, DNR, yung location nitong tatlo.
Pero sure daw sila doon sa tatlo, legal yon.
Sure sila na
Legal
hindi to
yun.
located outside the buffer zones.
Yes.
Well, then can you show us proof? Maps?
Status of resort cited in the previous hearing, Montefrio Garden Resort, Indigo City, PAMBI Resolution 2019-34 issued in November 19, 2019, area occupied 2.19 hectares. And ECC is ECCOLR 11 to 2021-185 issued in July 7, 2021.
We can provide.
And then the Twin Mountain View Resort, same, may ECC and merong PAMBI resolution, and Villa Recurso may PAMBI resolution din at may ECC. So we will provide you with this. And
Kaya nga po, can you provide us a report?
bigay mo na lang kasi.
Kasi po kami, we did a mapping eh. Okay, and this was mentioned during my privilege speech. And talagang pasok po.
They will provide you the map and the details.
Yes.
The list and the ECC record and the PAMBI record.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Madam Sponsor. That's all, Madam Sponsor.
Thank you very much.